So after making so many sweets, today it's time to make something healthier and easier to digest. So I'm gonna show you two recipes of cream soup. One of them is gonna be sweeter with red bell pepper as the main ingredient, and the other one will be full of root vegetables and a little spicy. So let's go. So we start with a bunch of veggies. You have the amount of each veggie right after the intro. Cut some parsnip, small so it can cook faster. Peel your carrots or wash them very good before adding them. Some red bell pepper, this will add lots of sweetness and a lovely taste. Tomato for some acidity. Red and yellow onion and some garlic. Drizzle some vegetable or olive oil on top. Add some black pepper and some salt. I want more salt since there's a lot of sweet vegetables there. We add paprika, smoked paprika and white pepper. Mix them together and keep in mind that you can adjust everything you see here. If you don't like white pepper, don't add it. You want more garlic? Well, add more garlic. Now cook everything at 200 degrees Celsius for like 20 minutes or until you start to get browning and everything is soft. Add it into a mixer along with some veggie soup. You can add more or less depending on how creamy or soupy you want it. You can add half heavy cream and half veggie soup. I personally don't like it with cream, so I use veggie soup. Now it's time to taste and add more condiments if you feel like it needs more. I added salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, oregano and give it another mix. You're gonna get like 2 bowls like this from this quantity. And now it's time to make it nicer by adding a slice of bread fried in a little butter. Add some crispy bacon. Add more condiments if you want. I added more oregano, some paprika and black pepper. Now let's move to the second one. This one is gonna be full of root vegetables. It's gonna have a really strong taste and it's best served when it's fresh made. Don't keep it overnight. We're gonna start with some beets, garlic. Peel off your parsnip and you can fry those later for some crunchiness to add it to your soup. We need some celery root, red and yellow onion, carrots and 1 hot pepper. Be careful, this soup was really spicy and you can totally remove the spicy pepper. We add white pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, salt and vegetable or olive oil. This one is gonna cook for longer, so I'd say go for 180 degrees Celsius for like 25-30 minutes. Just check them when the vegetables start to brown and getting soft. This is also gonna take more veggie soup, so again adjust them on how creamy or soupy you want it. You can also replace some veggie stock with heavy cream, as before. I added crispy parsnip from earlier, some store-bought crispy onion, white pepper, paprika, black pepper and some olive oil. Serve it with some crispy bread and enjoy it. If you tried this recipe at home, please let me know how it went. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and see you next time.